Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve my 5-minute work makeup routine. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Recently I've been using this Tarte Hydrating Boost. It's called Drink of H2O and I'm obsessed with it. It leaves my skin super glowy and dewy, and that's how I like it since I do have dry skin. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of this. This is the Sephora color corrector. I have an orange color corrector because I have yellow undertones and like purplish under my eyes. So this works great to cover my dark circles. So I just apply this right before I apply any tinted moisturizer or foundation or concealer, just to cover up the darkness and the discoloration under my eyes. I also like to put it just around my nose and my lips, just anywhere where I see I have a little bit of discoloration. This is my favorite tinted moisturizer. It's Mercier. I use the shade Sand. It's super light and great for everyday use because it's not heavy and it blends very well. So I just put a little bit. Now I'm going to use the Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer. This one's super light, it's really blendable. This is the shade 3N. For contour, I use the Fenty Beauty Contour Stick. This is the medium shade. I think this is great because it's super fast and you can take it on the go. It's a perfect travel size. So this is what I use in the mornings when I am getting ready for work. For brows, I'm going to use this new brow pencil that I just got. I like it because, again, it's very small and I can carry it in my purse. It's the Billion Dollar Brows Universal Brow Pencil. I've only used it a few times, but I am a big fan of it so far. So I'm just going to use this today. It's super easy to use. One side is the pencil and the other side is the brush. I use the brush a lot because I like my brows to look natural and like a little bushy and feathery, not too perfect. So I just start by brushing out my brows a little, making them more messy, and then I'll fill them in. So for work, I just do quick little run through just to darken my brows a little bit. I don't go too crazy, just lightly, and then I brush them out. So you can already notice the difference. And I just do really quick strokes, not applying too much pressure because I don't want them too dark or too shaped. I really want it to look like I woke up with these brows. So next, I'm just gonna put on a little bit of mascara. I use the Maybelline Great Lash. I've been using this for years. It's my go-to. I think it's great. It lasts a long time. It doesn't get too clumpy, which is what I like, and I use this size brush. The last thing I do is just apply a little bit of lip liner and lipstick. This lip liner is Max Stripdown. It's like a chocolatey color, so I just outline my lips just a little bit. And then usually for work, I'll just overline my lips and then put a little bit of chapstick over. So I'll blend it. Yeah, that's my quick, easy 5-minute routine. I hope you guys enjoy it.